Hey guys, this is Satya here. Welcome back to Healthy Recipes. Today I'll be sharing with you 5 immunity boosting drinks. Take 2 tablespoons of pepper in a mixer jar and grind it. Next, into a pan add 2 cups of milk. Once it starts boiling, add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon ginger powder. If you don't have ginger powder, you may add half a teaspoon of shredded ginger. Next, add in a pinch of saffron, it's optional. Once the milk starts boiling, switch off the flame and add 5 dates finely cut into small pieces. If you don't like dates, you may add jaggery powder. Add jaggery powder according to the desired sweetness. Do not boil milk after you add jaggery. You may serve turmeric milk before going to bed at night. Next drink is a turmeric ginger tea. Into a pan add 2 cups of water, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Boil for 3 minutes and let it stand. Once it's warm, transfer to a cup. Add in 1 teaspoon of honey, mix well. Lastly, add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You can have this as a morning drink. Next drink is a beetroot juice. Into a mixer jar, add 1 cup of shredded carrot, beetroot, 1 cup of pomegranates, 2 tablespoons of ginger finely cut, 10 to 15 mint leaves, 2 tablespoons jaggery powder. First grind it without adding any water. Next add in 1.5 cups of water and sieve it. You may add honey instead of jaggery powder. Diabetics can add salt instead of sugar. Next is the Amla juice. Into a mixer jar, add 2 medium-sized amlas, finely cut. Add in half an inch of ginger, 10 to 15 mint leaves, 10 Tulsi leaves, 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice. First grind it as it is, then add in half a cup of water and grind it again. Sieve the mix. Next add in 1.5 cups of water. So for this I have used 2 cups of water totally. Mix well. Next add in honey as required. I have added 1 tablespoon of honey. Amla juice is ready to be served. Next one is a Tulsi leaves drink. Into a pan add 2 cups of water. Add in 2 small betel leaves or pan as it is commonly called. 1 handful of Tulsi leaves, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Switch off the flame and let it stand for some time. Sieve the mix. Add in honey as required. You may have this drink in the evening. If you like this video, do give it a like and subscribe to Healthy Recipes if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.